You know, emotional. Tell me you didn't just get kilig.
Maybe I just have to pee.
Mabutag mga besh mga bay! Sige, mabutag sa inyo tanan. Karong adlaw, maghimo kami reaction video usab. So ano na video about usa ka TV series na gitawag 90 Day Fiance. Do you know anything about this?
I've just seen some that was the worst English ever. Let's try that again. I've just seen some memes on like Instagram. But that's about it.
Yeah, so I saw this on an Instagram post as well. Uy, saba. Wait, sa. Diba? Lockdown na karon, pero sige sila magsuray.
It's Sunday as well. There's no pass on Sundays.
True. Alright, so 90 Day Fiance. Naiusa ka lalaki na si Ed, Big Ed, taga California. So astig ni siya, ug na siya uyab na taga Pilipinas, from Manila. I think from Manila, based on what I've seen. Anyways, this guy has fell in love with this woman over chat. Kabalo mo na naay daghang chatmate dito sa Pilipinas. Usa na karon. Bisan kami chatmate gani.
We were not like chatmate. Like
Sige. But we will watch this episode where they finally meet after being chatmates for I don't know how many days. But let's get kilig. Let's get all.
Do you think 90 days?
No.
What is this 90 Day Fiance?
Okay.
Okay.
So matanaw ta.
Eee.
Oh wait, is this even recording?
Oh my heck. No. Quick time to leave.
Hold up, drink. All right, we're live. Clap again, one more time. All right, so Monty Shang episode. Ed and Rose finally meet. Let's go. This is in Manila, I think.
Aquino.
Hey, Nasi Rose.
Oh, these are cute.
Oh my god.
You know, emotional.
How are you? How are you? Are you real? Oh my god, you're so real. You're so beautiful. Oh my god.
Tell me you didn't just get kilig.
Maybe I just have to pee.
That's great.
He's so cute.
Let's rewind that just a little bit. That is too good.
How are you? Oh my god, you're so real. You're so
real.
beautiful. Oh.
He thought he got catfished. Ay, salamat. Tinood yan ka. Dili ka lalaki. Salamat. Sabi ko nailad ko. Mga iyang giingon.
Oh my god.
Look at that smile. Pure happiness. That looks just like Jack Black. Tell me.
In like school.
Honestly, I love this dude though. Freaking Big Ed. What a legend. Alright.
I'm beyond elated. I'm so happy right now.
I'm so very happy to see you.
You promise?
I'm so excited and a little bit nervous.
Nervous.
I am too.
I am nervous.
I couldn't find you. I was so worried. I'm like, I didn't think you were gonna come.
Ay, because basta traffic.
Because why?
Traffic.
Because why? Traffic daw.
Traffic.
I love it. Peace lang. This is gonna be a fun couple because I think it's his first time in the Philippines. He doesn't really know the culture. Doesn't know the accent. No, it's just in a ponytail. Traffic. I love that word. Traffic.
Grabe, traffic.
Traffic. Alright.
Oh, traffic. I'm sorry.
Traffic.
So this is real pinch me. Pinch me.
Slap.
It was just like an out-of-body experience for me. Because for 3 months, I FaceTime with her, and now I'm standing in front of her, and I really want to kiss Rose.
Ah. Sakto diyan ka?
Yeah.
What do you say? 3 months?
3 months he
He's been
FaceTime.
Oh, FaceTime. 90 Day Fiance.
Wow.
Which means they were fiancé dayon? They were engaged
Already?
before they met?
Or
Is that common dito sa Pilipinas na maging fiancé bisan wa pakita sa personal?
have they
Wa
proposed?
pa nakikita. I don't
We
know.
should watch.
We
I
just
know.
watch.
I really do.
I
But
love this guy.
I want to make sure that she really likes me.
That you.
What? Am I what you expected? You like?
I expected yours told to me.
Tall, more tall.
Sure to me.
Oh, freak.
I thought if I told you I was the same height, maybe I would have a chance.
He catfished her.
Makahakon! Oh, we thought that she was a catfish, but he was the catfish.
Yeah.
So,
At
ingon
least he
niya.
didn't say he was 6 foot. That'd be
Yeah.
awkward.
So, abi niya pre sa ilang height, pero puto diya yung lalaki.
I love that word. I think it's my favorite word.
Gamay lang siya, pero butan kayo.
She in person, he is really big. Big. Bad shot.
Manang culture dito sa Pilipinas, frank kayo. Very frank. No?
Frank, I think. Frank?
Frank. Bisan maayo ilang mga intention, frank yapon sila. Like, bisan sa ako, kung na ako'y bugas, na ako'y
Oh, they're very forward.
zits, like, uy, di na ka mailan sa imong pamilya kay na kay zits. Or, nataba di ay ka, natampo ka.
Yeah.
They're not trying to insult you, but
Ant.
they're very frank. Okay, frank.
Or forward, or... Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean, that's why everyone calls me fat.
yeah.
Yeah.
They're not trying to insult you, I hope.
No.
Maybe
I'm
some of
just-
them are, but...
Just fat.
Damsi.
Yeah.
So, yes, this guy, according to her, is not as tall and
Pretty big.
bigger. Pretty big.
Let me see.
Say
Let me
what?
see. Little. Poquito. Poquito. Un pequeño. Do you find me attractive?
Attractive always you.
Always?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Who you are. It's okay for me.
what do you mean? I don't want to just be okay for you. I want to be your man.
Yeah, you're a man. You're my king. You know?
I'm her king. She's my queen.
It's so cute.
Oh my god, I just want to look at you. I love you. Kiss.
They're dropping the L word already?
Kiss dayon, og love dayon. So the point of this is he's in the Philippines to find out if she really loves him. So para ninyo, does she love him? Sayang tibok na kasing-kasing? Or does she not? That's what we find out in these next episodes.
Let's go. This is going to be the start of a great day.
Great night.
Oh,
I now have faith and love again.
great night.
I love you.
Scam.
Love you.
Gentlemen, open your door, close it. Shivering.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Good luck in the taxi.
Wee. Here we go. Alright, so that is the first episode na atong tanawon karon. Ilang meetup. What do you think?
Seems genuine.
I think he
I mean, he genuinely
likes her.
likes her.
Yeah.
I hope she likes him because he's a good guy.
Yeah, you can tell that he's very buutan,
Yeah.
super kind. He just wants to find love. I wonder if he's been divorced or what happened, what his story is. Maybe we find out later.
Yeah.
He's looking for love.
I hope that they're okay.
Yeah.
That
I
they
hope
work out.
he doesn't get his heart broken, and if she really loves him, I hope she doesn't get her heart broken, obviously.
Yeah.
So in the next videos, we will continue Ed's journey with Rose. We will find out if they will kasal sa wakas. 90 days. Engaged already, wow.
Yeah,
It's
good
pretty
for
quick.
her. We're a year tomorrow, but yeah.
Yes, our anniversary is tomorrow. What?
Ow!
Say again, say again.
Did you think I was catfishing you?
No,
No? No?
because we met in person.
No, when we met, like before we met, did you think I was a catfish? Like, not as cute. I'm not saying that I'm cute, but like.
No, but I was surprised on your Australian accent. Kay Filipino sa tanawon, young lang, Australian kayo, so nakurat man ko. The first time I met her was with her dad, and they were very Australian.
I mean, we are Australian.
I mean, you're half, yeah. Alright, sige, mo na siyang video. Unta na linga mo. We will continue the journey. Comment below if they will end up together, what you think the prediction is.
So,
Yes, I'm rooting for a big Ed.
it's my granddad's name. Not Big Ed, just Ed.
Just Ed. Yes.
Yeah. Alright.
Don't tease him.
Yeah. He's a nice guy.
Yeah. I'm rooting for it. Alright, sige, mo na siyang video. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Till we fall asleep, the night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? Till we fall asleep, the night is young. Won't you sing for me? Won't you sing for me? We do it on repeat.